Today's Wednesday, May 29th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac DeVILLE Series 063 neutral safety switch. Okay, this is for my friend Clarence Franklin in Virginia for his 1970 DeVILLE convertible. This is the 4-prong variant, period correct and specific to 1970 Cadillac DeVILLE. And I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. I've gone ahead and marked the individual locations of park, reverse, and neutral in order to demonstrate the functional validation of the performance of the unit under power. So I've gone ahead and connected it to power. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the grounding unit. We're located at the reverse position, and the light bulb comes on. Okay, and we can see as soon as I move it to park, the reverse light bulb no longer comes on until I apply the ground to the proper park location, in which case now we have electrical continuity in order to start the ignition of the car. The ignition of the car will start in both park and neutral. So right now we're in park and the light bulb is on. I'll go ahead and move it to the neutral location, which is right there. And the light bulb comes on again in neutral. So ignition of the car is allowed in both neutral and park, and prohibited in all the other gears because you don't want the vehicle taking off as soon as you energize the ignition system. Okay, so this is the 1969-1970 Cadillac DeVILLE convertible neutral safety switch from my friend Clarence Franklin. This will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship. Apply confirmation. This is a fully restored show quality unit, period correct and specific to the DeVILLE convertible for 1970. And it is an authentic 063 casting number. And it also includes the 4 vacuum portals. The vacuum portals facilitate the release of the emergency parking brake under vacuum as soon as you shift it into drive. Okay, that's how that works. A lot of people don't realize that the Cadillacs had this very elaborate vacuum system that facilitated automatic release of the emergency parking brake as soon as you were to engage the vehicle into drive. So this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976 for the Cadillacs, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items such as this fully restored, show quality, fully functional and tested and calibrated neutral safety switch for 1969 and 1970. Today is Wednesday, May 29th. Thank you very kindly. This is George in Florida.